Okay, now Jared, what if you're wanting to connect up to the NBN since they're rolling it out across Australia and you're not quite sure whether or not you're connected at your address?
Well, you can go to the NBN coverage rollout website and you type in your address and it basically tells you where it's at. There's different stages of NBN, planning, actual work, that kind of thing. It'll tell you that. And it should give you dates as well.
Excellent. So what I've done is I've gone into Google and I've typed in NBN map. And then that'll give us this page here, which says check the NBN rollout across Australia, which we're going to do.
And check your address. Yes, right.
We'll get back to that one. So there's a rollout map showing you where they've already rolled it out throughout all of Australia.
Yeah. So you can see the service available, build commenced, other provider. Oh, that's interesting.
Interesting. Well, who else is doing it? Interesting.
There's definitely other companies doing fibre out there.
So right here it says find your address. So we'll type in North Adelaide, shall we?
Yeah.
So build commenced according to this colour map.
Yeah, so it's all colour coded that way.
Yep.
However,
the service is not available. As you can see in this map, the purple down here where it says service available is purple. So this area, they've got NBN.
Yeah, definitely Prospect does. Prospect was one of the early ones in Adelaide.
Right.
It was like, if not the first. Yeah, they did Prospect, so that one's working.
Right, and then the rest of Melbourne Street is just a street in North Adelaide. So the rest of Melbourne Street is commencing at this point in time. It doesn't have a date though. No, it's not telling me how long it is. Okay, so we were just looking at when NBN availability will be ready in your area, and we went to the NBN Co website, which showed you a map showing you whether it's commenced the build or whether it's actually the service is available, and what other third-party providers are offering fibre. Now, NBN used to tell you exactly when the schedule was going to be.
I thought it did.
Yeah. So they don't do that anymore, or if they ever did.
Well, we couldn't find it on the site.
Yeah. So we went to finder.com.au and I typed in a street name in Norwood, and it's come up and it says that it'll be ready for service October to December 2018, which is a long, long way away. Probably why NBN don't want to have that on their website.
I was just going to say that could possibly be part of that. Hey, we should try and put the NBN website back into cached mode.
Yeah, and see if they ever had it. Yeah, well, this is the thing. So sometimes it's probably not quite convenient for them to have schedules up because people will freak out like I just did, thinking to myself, oh, well, because I live in that suburb and I don't want to have to wait for that long, but apparently I do.
It's a long time.
It's a very long time. That's what we have to do.
Anyway, that's NBN. Hopefully looking this stuff up won't depress you.
Yeah, like it depressed me just then. So I guess I'll be stuck with ADSL for a good while longer.
Oh, there's all sorts. We'll see what happens. A lot can happen in a year.
Yeah. So there you go. NBN, it's going to be rolled out. If you want to know exactly when your suburb or street within your suburb will get its NBN connection, there are ways for you to do that.
Yeah. Thanks very much.